Hello students, in this section we shall use differentiation to find the equation of the tangent lines and the normal lines to the curve at a given point. Now slope of tangent to a curve y equal to fx at point x0 y0 is given by dy by dx at x0 y0 or f dash x0. So the equation of the tangent at x0, y0 to the curve y equal to fx will be, now as we know that the equation of the line passing through point x0, y0 will be y minus y0 m x minus x0, where m is the slope of the line, and here the slope of the line is f dash x0. So the equation of the tangent at point x0, y0 to the curve y equal to fx will be given by y minus y0 equal to m, and here m is f dash x0, x minus x0. Now slope of the normal to the curve y equal to fx at x0, y0 is minus 1 upon slope of the tangent at that point, or you can say minus 1 upon f dash x0 if f dash x0 is not equal to 0. Now as we know that the normal is perpendicular to the tangent, so its slope will be minus 1 upon slope of the tangent. Therefore, the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to fx at x0, y0 is given by y minus y0 equal to m. In place of m, we will put the slope of the normal, that is minus 1 upon f dash x0 into x minus x0. Now come to the exercise 6.3. Here in question number 4, we have to find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point whose x coordinate is 3. The equation of the curve is given to us y equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. Now on differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be equal to 3x square minus 3. Now as slope of the tangent at point x0, y0 is given by dy by dx at x0, y0. Here we have to find the slope of tangent to the curve at the point where x coordinate is 3. That means this x0 or x is equal to 3. So slope of the tangent dy by dx at point x equal to 3 will be given by 3 into 3 square minus 3, and that will be equal to 24. In question number 6, find the slope of the normal to the curve x equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to b cos square theta at theta is equal to pi by 2. Now here the equation of curve is given to us as x equal to 1 minus a sin theta and y equal to b cos square theta. Now first of all we have to find the slope of the normal to the curve. So we will first of all find the value of dy by dx. Now here x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta. On differentiating both sides with respect to theta, it will be dx by d theta will be equal to minus a cos theta. Now y is equal to b cos square theta is given to us. Again on differentiating with respect to theta, we will get dy by d theta equal to minus 2b cos theta sin theta. Now dy by dx will be equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, and that will be equal to 2b sin theta upon a. The minus and cos theta will cancel out, and that will give us 2b sin theta upon a. Now slope of the tangent to the curve at theta equal to pi by 2 will be given by dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2 will be 2b upon a sin pi by 2. And as we know, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. So that will be 2b upon a. Now slope of the normal to the curve at theta equal to pi by 2 will be equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 2, or you can say minus 1 upon slope of the tangent at that point, and that will be equal to minus 1 upon 2b upon a, and this will be equal to minus a upon 2b. In question number 7, we have to find a point at which the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Here equation of curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Now slope of the tangent to the curve at point x0, y0 will be given by dy by dx at x0, y0, and that will be 3x0 square minus 6x0 minus 9. Now, as it is given to us that the tangent is parallel to x-axis, that means its slope will be equal to 0. Now, the slope of the line parallel to x-axis is always equal to 0. That means 3x0 square minus 6x0 minus 9 will be equal to 0. Now, this will give us the factors as x0 plus 1 into x0 minus 3 equal to 0. Now, if x0 plus 1 is equal to 0, then x0 will be equal to minus 1. As this x0, y0 belongs to the curve first, so we can say that it will satisfy the equation of the curve. That means y0 will be equal to x0 cube minus 3x0 square minus 9x0 plus 7. On putting the value of x0, we will get y0 as 12. Now if x0 minus 3 is equal to 0, then x0 will be equal to 3. Again x0, y0 lies on curve first. So we can say y0 will be equal to 3 square minus 3 into 3 square. This will be 3 cube minus 9 into 3 plus 7. And that will give us y0 as minus 20. So the required points are, now first point was minus 1, 12 and 3 minus 20. In question number 8, we have to point on the curve y equal to x minus 2 whole square, at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Here equation of the curve is given to us as y equal to x minus 2 whole square. On differentiating with respect to x, this dy by dx will be equal to 2 into x minus 2. Slope of the tangent at point x0, y0 is given by dy by dx at x0, y0, and that will be equal to 2 into x0 minus 2. Now, the slope of the chord passing through the points 2, 0 and 4, 4 will be equal to 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 2 by the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and that will be equal to 2. Now, as it is given to us that the tangent to the curve is parallel to the chord, so we can say that the slope of the curve will be equal to the slope of the chord, because the slope of the parallel lines is always equal. That means this dy by dx at x0, y0 will be equal to 2, and that will give us 2 into x0 minus 2 equal to 2, and here this thus x0 will be equal to 3. As we know that x0, y0 lies on the curve y equal to x minus 2 whole square. This x0, y0 is the point of the curve, so it will satisfy the equation of the curve, and we can say that therefore y0 will be equal to x0 minus 2 whole square. On putting the value of x0, that was 3, we will get y0 as 1. Thus the required point is 3, 1. In question 9, find the point on the curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 11. Now again, equation of the curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be equal to 3x square minus 11. Now slope of the tangent at x0, y0 is given by dy by dx at x0, y0, and that will be 3x square minus 11. Now equation of tangent is y equal to x minus 11. On equating with y equal to mx plus c, now slope of the tangent m is equal to will be equal to 1. Now from first and second both are the slope of the tangent. So we can say from first and second 3x square minus 11 will be equal to 1, and that will give us x0 as plus minus 2. Again, x0 by 0 lies on the curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. So this x0, y0 will satisfy the equation, and we can write y0 is equal to x0 cube minus 11 into x0 plus 5. Now, if x0 is equal to minus 2, then we are getting y0 as plus 19, and if x0 is equal to 2, then y0 will be equal to 9. So we can say that the required point is minus 2, 19 and 2, 9. In question 10th, find the equation of all the lines having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 upon x minus 1, where x is not equal to 1. Now here equation of curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy by dx as minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now slope of the tangent at point x0, y0 will be given by dy by dx at x0, y0, and that will be equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon x0 minus 1 square. Now here it is already given to us that slope of the tangent is equal to minus 1. So we can say that dy by dx at x0, y0 will be equal to minus 1, and that will give us minus 1 upon x0 minus 1 whole square will be equal to minus 1. Here minus minus will cancel out, and it will give us x0 minus 1 whole square equal to 1, or we can say x0 is equal to plus minus 1 plus 1. Now on taking positive sign, x0 will be 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Now as we know that x0, y0 lies on the curve y equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So y0 will be equal to 1 upon x0 minus 1. On putting the value of x0 as 2, we are getting y0 as 1. Thus, we can say that equation of tangent will be given by y minus y0 equal to dy by dx at x0, y0 into x minus x0. Now, y0 was 1 and x0 was 2. So, it will be y minus 1 equal to, now dy by dx at x0, y0. Now slope of the tangent is already given to us as equal to minus 1. So we will take dy by dx at x0, y0 equal to minus 1. That will be minus 1 into x minus x0, and x0 was 2. And this will give us the equation of the tangent as x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now on taking negative sign, x0 will be equal to minus 1 plus 1, and that will be equal to 0, and that will give us y0 as minus 1. Again, equation of tangent to the curve will be y minus y0, and y0 was minus 1 equal to the slope of the tangent, and that was minus 1 into x minus x0, and x0 was 0. And that will give us equation of the tangent as x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, we are getting two equations of two tangents which satisfy the given relation. One is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 and another one is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. In question number 11, we have to find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 upon x minus 3. Similarly, as we have done in question 10, we will find out the slope of the curve at x0, y0 and that is minus 1 upon x0 minus 3 whole square. Now slope of the tangent is given to us as 2. So this dy by dx at x0, y0 will be equal to 2 and this will give us minus 1 upon x0 minus 3 whole square equal to 2. Now here this is giving us the quadratic equation 2x0 square minus 12x0 plus 19 equal to 0. Now on solving it by quadratic formula, we are getting x0 as value of x0 as 12 plus minus under root minus 8 upon 4. Here this root minus 8 is not a real number, or we can say 12 plus my value of x0 is not real. And thus we can say there is no tangent to the curve with slope 2, as we cannot find the equation of the tangent from here. In question number 13, we have to find the points on the curve at which the tangents are. First is parallel to x-axis and second parallel to y-axis. Now equation of the curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, we are getting dy by dx as minus 16x upon 9y. Now slope of the tangent at x0, y0 will be given by dy by dx at x0, y0 and that will be equal to minus 16x0 upon 9y0. Now in the first part, tangent is parallel to the x-axis. That means slope of the tangent will be equal to 0. Slope of line parallel to x-axis is always equal to 0. And that means minus 16x0 upon 9y0 will be equal to 0. And this will give us x0 as 0. Now x0, y0 are the points of the curve or lies on the curve. X square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. That means this x0, y0 will satisfy the equation of the curve, or we can say x0 square upon 9 plus y0 square upon 16 will be equal to 1. Now as x0 was 0, on putting the value of x0, we will get the value of y0 and that is plus minus 4. Thus the required points are 0, 4 or 0, minus 4. Now in second part, tangent is parallel to y-axis. That means normal to the curve will be perpendicular to the y-axis. Now if a line is parallel to the y-axis, then its normal will be perpendicular to the y-axis. Now slope of the norm, that means the slope of the normal to the curve will be equal to 0 as the line perpendicular to the y-axis will be parallel to the x-axis and slope of the line parallel to the x-axis will be equal to 0, and that means the slope of the normal will be equal to 0. That means minus 1 upon dy by dx at x0, y0 will be equal to 0. And this will give us minus 1 upon, now dy by dx at x0, y0 was minus 16x0 upon 9y0 and that is equal to 0. This is giving us the value of y0 as 0. Again x0, y0 lies on curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 equal to 0 equal to 1. So we can say that x0 square upon 9 plus y0 square upon 16 will be equal to 1. On putting the value of y0, we are getting x0 square upon 9 equal to 1 and that will give us the value of x0 as plus minus 3. So the required points are 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. Now here in the second part we have to keep in mind that here the tangent to the curve is parallel to the y-axis. That means suppose this is the tangent to any curve and this is parallel to the y-axis. Now if tangent is parallel to the y-axis, that means the normal to the tangent or a line perpendicular to the tangent will be perpendicular to the y-axis, and the line perpendicular to the y-axis will be parallel to the x-axis, and that means that the slope of the normal to the tangent will be equal to 0 as it is parallel to the x-axis. In question number 14, we have to find the equations of tangent and normal to the given curves at the indicated points. So I am doing the fifth part of it. Here x0, y0 is given to us in all the parts. Now in fifth part, the equation of the curve is x equal to cos t and y equal to sin t. We have to find the equation of the curve tangent and normal at t equal to pi by 4. Now x is equal to cos t. On differentiating with respect to t, dx upon dt will be equal to minus sin t, and y is given to us as sin t. Again, on differentiating with respect to t, we will get dy by dt equal to cos t. Now dy by dx will be equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, and that will be cos t upon minus sin t, and that will give us minus cot t. Now slope of tangent at t equal to pi by 4 will be dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4, and that will be minus cot, value of t was pi by 4, so cot t by 4 pi by 4, and that will be equal to minus 1. Now here x0 y0 lies on curve, so value of x0 will be equal to cos pi by 4 at t equal to pi by 4, and y0 will be equal to sin pi by 4. So x0 is equal to cos pi by 4, and that is equal to 1 upon root 2, and y0 is sin pi by 4, and that equal to 1 upon root 2. Equation of the tangent at point x0 y0 is given to us by y minus y0 equal to dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4, that is slope of the tangent, into x minus x0. Now here y minus y0, y0 was 1 by root 2, dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 was equal to minus 1, or slope of the tangent was equal to minus 1, and x minus x0, x0 was also equal to 1 upon root 2. And on solving this, we will get the equation of tangent as x plus y minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the equation of normal also. So equation of normal at the to the curve at point x0 y0 is given to us by y minus y0 equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 into x minus x0. Now y0 was 1 by root 2, x0 was again 1 by root 2, and dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 was equal to minus 1. Now here it will give us y minus 1 upon root 2 equal to x minus 1 upon root 2, and this will give us y equal to x, the equation of normal to the curve. In question number 15, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is a part is parallel to line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and in B part perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Here equation of curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be 2x minus 2. Now slope of the tangent to the curve at x0 y0 will be given by dy by dx at x0 y0, and that is equal to 2x0 minus 2. Now equation of the line is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and that will give us y equal to 2x plus 9. So we can say that the slope of the line is equal to 2 on equating with y equal to mx plus c. The m will be equal to 2 and that will be the slope of the line. Now here tangent is parallel to the line. That means the slope of the tangent will be equal to the slope of the line. Or we can say dy by dx at x0, y0 will be equal to 2. And as the slope of the line was 2. And that will give us 2x dy by dx at x0, y0 was 2x0 minus 2. So 2x0 minus 2 will be equal to 2 and that will give us x0 as 2. Now we know that x0, y0 are the points of curve. So they will satisfy the equation of the curve. Or we can say y0 will be equal to x0 square minus 2x0 plus 7. On putting the value of x0 as 2, we are getting y0 as 7. Now, equation of tangent at x0, y0 will be given by y minus y0 equal to slope of the tangent at x0, y0 into x minus x0. Now, y0 was 7. Slope of the tangent at x0, y0 will be equal to the slope of line and that was equal to 2 as both are parallel into x minus x0 and x0 was 2. And this will give us the equation of the tangent as y minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now in B part, equation of line given to us is 5y minus 15x equal to 13. On writing this equation in the form of y equal to mx plus c, we are getting the slope of line as 3. Now tangent is perpendicular to this line. That means slope of the tangent will be equal to minus 1 upon slope of the line. Now if the slope of two lines is m1 and m2 and both are perpendicular to each other, then m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 and that means m1 will be minus 1 upon m2 or slope of multiple of the slope of perpendicular lines is equal to minus 1. And from this we can say that slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 upon slope of line. Now slope of tangent at x0, y0 was dy by dx at x0, y0 and that was 2x0 minus 2 and slope of the line is 3. So this will be equal to minus 1 upon 3. And this is giving us the value of x0 as 5 by 6. Again, on putting the value of x0 in the equation of curve, we are getting the value of y0 as 217 upon 36. Now equation of the tangent at x0, y0 will be equal to y minus y0 and value of y0 was 217 by 36 equal to dy by dx at x0, y0. Now dy by dx at x0, y0 was equal to minus 1 by 3. That is minus 1 by 3 into x minus x0 was 5 by 6 and on solving this we will get the value, the equation of the tangent which is perpendicular to the given line and that is 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. Now in question number 16, show that the tangents to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. In question number 16, equation of curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is will be equal to 21x square. Now slope of tangent at x equal to 2 will be given by dy by dx at x equal to 2. That will be 21 into 2 square and that equal to 84. Similarly, slope of tangent at x equal to minus 2 will be equal to dy by dx at x equal to minus 2 and that is again equal to 84. As we see here, slope of the tangent at x equal to 2 is equal to the slope of tangent at x equal to minus 2. Both are equal to 84. Thus, we can say that tangent at x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel to each other as their slope is equal. In question 17, we have to find the points of a curve y equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Now equation of curve is given to us as y equal to x cube. On differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get dy by dx equal to 3x square. Now slope of the tangent at any point x0, y0 will be given by dy dx of x0, y0, that will be equal to 3x0 square. Now it is given to us that slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. That means dy by dx at x0, y0 is equal to y coordinate, and that is y0. Now that means 3x0 square will be equal to y0. Take this as equation first. Now as we know that x0, y0, this point x0, y0 lies on the curve y equal to x cube. So we can say that y0 is equal to x0 cube. Now from equation first, we can put the value of y0 as 3x0 square in equation second. And this will give us 3x0 square equal to x0 cube. Now on solving this, we will get this as equal to x0 square into 3 minus x0 equal to 0. Now from this we can say that x0, either x0 is equal to 0 or 3 minus x0 is equal to 0, and that will give us x0 equal to 3. If x0 is equal to 0, then from equation first we can say y0 will be equal to 0 cube, and that will be 0. And if x0 is equal to 3, then from first y0 will be equal to 3 cube, and that will be equal to 27. So the required points are 0, 0 and 3, 27. Now in question 18th, for the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5, find all the points at which tangent passes through the origin. Now equation of the curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be equal to 12x square minus 10x to the power 4. Now slope of the tangent at x0, y0 will be dy by dx at x0, y0 will be equal to 12x0 square minus 10x0 to the power 4. Now equation of the tangent at x0, y0 will be equal to y0 minus y minus y0 equal to dy by dx at x0, y0, that is slope of the tangent at point x0, y0, into x minus x0. Now this will be y minus y0 equal to, now dy by dx at x0, y0 is 12x0 square minus 10x0 to the power 4 into x minus x0. Now as you know that the point x0, y0 lies on the curve, or here it is given to us that this tangent passes through the origin. Now if tangent passes through the origin, that means this will satisfy the coordinates of the origin. So in place of y, we will y and x we will put the coordinates of origin that are 0, 0. And this will give us y0 equal to 12x0 square minus 10x0 to the power 4 into x0. Now as you know that x0, y0 lies on the curve, so we can say that x0, y0 will satisfy the equation of the curve, and that means y0 equal to 4x0 cube minus 2x0 raised to power 5. Now from equation second and third, left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides will be equal. And on solving this, we will get x0 cube into 1 minus x0 square is equal to 0, and this will give us x0 equal to 0 or x0 square equal to 1, or we can say x0 equal to plus minus 1. Now if x0 equal to 0, then from equation third, y0 will be equal to 0. And if x0 equal to 1, then again from third, y0 will be equal to 2. and if x0 equal to -1, then y0 will be equal to -2 from equation 3rd. That means the required points are 0, 0, 1, 2 or -1, -2. Now in question number 20, find the equation of the normal at the point am square, am cube for the curve ay square equal to x cube. Now equation of the curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy by dx equal to 3x square upon 2ay. Now here we have to find the equation of the normal. So we will find the slope of the normal at am square, am cube. Now that will be -1 upon dy by dx at am square, am cube. Now this will be -1 upon 3 am square whole square upon 2a y, and y was am cube. And this will give us slope of the normal as -2 upon 3m. Now equation of normal at am square, am cube will be y minus y1, y minus y0, and that was am cube equal to slope of the normal, that was -2 upon 3m into x minus x0, and x0 was am square. And this on solving will give us the equation of the normal to the tangent to the curve as 2x plus 3my minus am square into 3m square plus 2 equal to 0. In question number 23, we have to prove that the curve x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square equal to 1. Now equation of the curves is given to us. Now first curve is x equal to y square and second curve is xy equal to k. Now they cut each other at right angle, means if suppose these two curves cut each other at right angle, that means the angle between the tangents to the curve at the point of contact is equal to 90 degree, or you can say the tangents to the curves at the point of contact are perpendicular to each other. Now first of all, we will find the point of contact of the two curves. Now from equation first and second, we can put the value of x from equation first in equation second. So it will be y square into y equal to k on putting the value of x from first in second. Now this will give us y cube equal to k, and that will give us y equal to k raised to power 1 by 3. Now putting the value of y in equation first, we will get x as k raised to power 2 by 3. That means this point of intersection of the curves is k raised to power 2 by 3 and k raised to power 1 by 3. Now on differentiating equation first with respect to x, this will give us 1 equal to 2y dy by dx, and that will so dy by dx will be equal to 1 upon 2y. Now slope of the tangent to the curve first at k raised to power 2 by 3 and k raised to power 1 by 3, or at the point of intersection, will be equal to 1 upon 2 into k raised to power 1 by 3. Now similarly, we will find the slope of the tangent to the curve second at the point of contact. Now on differentiating equation second with respect to x, we are getting dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So slope of the tangent to the curve at the point curve second at the point k raised to power 2 by 3, k raised to power 1 by 3 will be given by dy by dx at k raised to power 2 by 3, k raised to power 1 by 3, and that will be equal to minus k raised to power 1 by 3 upon k raised to power 2 by 3, and that will be equal to minus 1 upon k raised to power 1 by 3. Now these two curves cut each other at right angle. That means the multiple of the slope of two curves will be equal to -1. That means slope of the tangent to the curve first into slope of tangent to the curve second will be equal to -1. Now on putting the value of the slope of the tangent to the curve first and second from equation third and fourth, we will get 1 upon 2k raised to power 1 by 3 into -1 upon k raised to power 1 by 3 equal to 1. And that will be 1 upon 2k raised to power 2 by 3. Now k raised to power 1 by 3 into k raised to power 1 by 3 will give us 2k raised to power 2 by 3, and that equal to -1. Here it was equal to -1 and minus will cancel out and that will be equal to 1. Now this will give us, on cross multiplication, this will give us 2k raised to power 2 by 3 equal to 1. On taking cube of both sides, we will get 8k square equal to 1, which we have to prove. Thus we can say that the tangents are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact, or the tangents cut each other at right angle only if 8k square is equal to 1. In question number 25, we have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to under root 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Now equation of the curve is given to us. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be equal to 3 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. Now slope of tangent to the curve at point x0, y0 will be given by dy by dx at x0, y0, and that will be 3 upon 2 under root 3x0 minus 2. Now equation of the line is given to us. On writing this equation in form of y equal to mx plus c, will get m as 2. So slope of the line is equal to 2. As the tangent is parallel to this line, so we can say that slope of the tangent will be equal to slope of the line. Slope of the line in tangent is given by dy by dx at x0, y0, and that slope of the line was 2, and that will be equal to 2. Now dy by dx at x0, y0 was 3 upon 2 under root 3x0 minus 2, and that will be equal to 2. On cross multiplication, we will get 3 equal to 4 root 3x0 minus 2. On squaring both sides, this will give us 9 equal to 16 3x0 minus 2, which on solving will give us the value of x0 as 41 by 48. Now x0, y0 lies on curve, so we can say that y0 will be equal to under root 3x0 minus 2, as x0, y0 will satisfy the equation of the curve. Now y0 will be equal to 3. We have already obtained the value of x0, that was 41 by 48. So in place of x0, we can write it value as 41 by 48 minus 2. And this will give us plus y0 as plus minus 3 by 4. So the required points are 41 by 48 and 3 by 4, and 41 by 48 minus 3 by 4. Now equation of the tangent at 41 by 48 3 by 4 will be given by y minus y0, that was 3 by 4, equal to slope of the tangent, and that was equal to slope of the line, and that is equal to 2 into x minus x0, and x0 was 41 by 48. Now on solving this, we will get the equation of the tangent, and that is equal to 24y minus 48x plus 23 equal to 0. Similarly, equation of the tangent at the point 41 by 48 and minus 3 by 4 will be y minus 3 by 4 equal to 2 into x minus 41 by 48, and that on solving will give us 48y minus 96x plus 77 equal to 0. Thus, these are the equation of the tangents satisfying the given question. Thank you.